now invite Dr. Charu Sharma, Healthcare Cosmetics, to come on stage and share about healthcare cosmetics. Fantastic! I love you guys. Thank you so much for keeping up the energy.
Good afternoon, everyone. I really feel honored being awarded this prestigious Icon Award. I am Dr. Charu Sharma, plastic and cosmetic surgeon. I am super specialist in plastic and cosmetic surgery. Plastic surgery, people know plastic surgery, but they think that there is something plastic-like thing which is used. But nowadays, people know about plastic surgery. They used to think that way. Plastic surgery, plastic word is derived from a Greek word, plastikos. Plastikos means to mold. So we plastic surgeon, we mold or modify disfigured body organs, be it face, arms, hands, or body, any body part. So plastic surgery it has very vast spectrum. Plastic surgery includes the reconstruction surgery in which we do post-traumatic, somebody having post-accidental injury in any part of the body, post-traumatic reconstruction and post-burn reconstruction also. After burn, patients have so many deformities like they have contracture of hand or neck, their neck is stuck to the chest so they cannot eat properly, and there are deformities of the face, hands, arms and body. So we plastic surgeons, we do the reconstruction of the disfigured body part. So there's a very vast spectrum in which we treat post-traumatic and post-burn patients, and we do reconstructions of their lost or disfigured body part. Now, very interesting part of plastic surgery is cosmetic surgery. So cosmetic surgery, as the name itself suggests, it is to beautify the body. The person is having the normal features, but person doesn't like his or her features. So we do cosmetic surgery to correct the features. So be it, we can do from head to toe, whichever part you want to correct or you want to modify, we can do that. So you must be knowing the common cosmetic surgeries, that is rhinoplasty, nose surgery, malar implant or malar cheekbone surgery, then chin surgery, lip pout is very common nowadays. And people also come for whole face facial feature correction, means the complete change of face. So we combine 3 and 4 features correction and we can completely change the facial appearance of the person. And patients also come for baldness, hair transplant. And the body surgery we do breast augmentation. You must have heard of silicone implant, that is so common nowadays. Then the mastopexy, tightening of the loose breast, then reduction myoplasty, and liposuction. Liposuction is very common nowadays. Liposuction is body contouring. So it's so common nowadays that people are even going for body correction surgery, means fat transfer surgery, in which we take fat from the unwanted area of body. Suppose person is having fat on the belly or tummy, which she or he doesn't like. So we can transfer that fat in the breast of the female patient if she is not having proper breast development. So we can transfer the same fat into the breast or buttock to give the proper hourglass appearance to the body. So there are so many advances in the field of plastic and cosmetic surgery nowadays, and there are so many lasers. So whichever problem you have, there are so many recent advances that we offer a myriad of solutions to all the problems. So be it the reconstruction or the cosmetic surgery. And I really feel honored and I really feel very proud when I treat post-acid burn victim patients. I have my NGO, NARI, in which we treat post-acid burn victim patients. They have very deep burns on face. Some patients have lost their eyesight because of acid sprinkled on them, acid thrown on them. And these patients, we do the treatment, then post-op care, rehabilitation, and also empowering them, and financial support to the patient also we give. So I do that under my NGO, which runs by the name of Nari. So I have the privilege of doing both the things. I do the interesting thing, that's the cosmetic surgery part, and I do service to the humanity also by treating the post-acid burn victim patients. I do the treatment free of cost for them, and cosmetic surgery, of course, I take charges. So I balance both the things, and it's very interesting branch, the plastic and cosmetic surgery. And thank you all for listening me, and I really want to thank everyone for honoring me today. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Promising Cosmetic Surgeon of the Year 2019 from Delhi, and the winner is Dr. Charu Sharma. Can we please give a big round of applause to Dr. Charu? Can we please have you on stage to receive the award? Having been awarded gold medal in plastic surgery for her academic brilliance, she has further developed her surgical skills at various national and international forums. She is presently attached to various renowned hospitals in New Delhi. Her expertise has been utilized by many in the society.